For the last 2 days we've been in Pembrokeshire visiting a range of projects with the Wales Committee. They've all been funded by the National Loteri Community Fund, and it's great to be able to see the vast variety of projects that we funded.
Well, we started out 4 years ago and we called a meeting of community organisations and statutory and third sector organisation, and we put a question to them: what do we want life to look like in our communities, and how should we work together to make sure that they have the best life possible, the life that they want?
I think this is a project that's all about relationships, and the power of relationships and the power of trust in those relationships. There's an inherent vulnerability that's required to really trust each other to work in partnership, but when you do, the outcomes that you can produce together are quite remarkable.
Blue Horizons runs community clubs. We take accessible trips or accessible and inclusive surf lessons. We do it in a number of ways, using adaptive equipment, but also using specially trained instructors and using the local volunteer community around us to sort of help people with water safety and social in and out of the water.
It was something I heard about through social media. I contacted them. It was about having the accessibility to be able to get onto a beach, onto a surfboard. So for me, I can't get onto the beach anymore in my wheelchair, but for them to be able to take me down to the beach in their adapted wheelchair, get me onto a surfboard and get me into the water, it's just been absolutely brilliant.
It's been amazing because I think it was one of my one of the things I wanted to do this year, to do something different.
Cariad Pet Therapy is an organisation that helps people in lots of ways. We provide tailored therapy dog visits to healthcare, education and to workplaces to help with overall well-being. We provide pet food to the community with a pet food bank that has donated over 360,000 pet food meals in 3 years. We provide supported employment opportunities to young people on the autistic spectrum in our social enterprise, making dog leads, clothing, that type of enterprise. We also donate robotic memory pets to people with dementia across Wales to help with their well-being.
Swn i'n deud na un uchafbwynt fel aelod Pwyllgor ydy cael mynd ar ymweliadau i weld y gwahaniaeth y gefnogaeth da ni'n darparu drwy'r arian i wahanol brosiectau ni'n wneud. A dwi wedi bod erbyn hyn i ymweld â sawl prosiect gwahanol ar hyd a lled Cymru. A mae wastad yn braf i gyfarfod â phobl, i glywed am yr angerdd sydd ganddyn nhw am eu gwaith, am y gwahaniaeth maen nhw'n gwneud, a pa mor ddiolchgar ydyn nhw i'r Cronfa am y ffaith bod nhw wedi cael y cyfle i allu gwireddu i syniad nhw.